Welcome guys, another video. This video is different from the others videos in which I will do unboxing of Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So stay with us. Welcome guys again. So we have in our hands the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and I had choose the blue color. So let's start to open it. So we had find now two box, and the middle we have here the phone. This is the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and let's discover what's on the first box. So we have here a screen for the Huawei store, so you don't have to go to store in order to touch it. And also we have a case cover to protect your phone, and Huawei give it for free, so you don't have to go to store to touch or to buy that case cover. And in the second box, we have a charger, and we have a this phone, and we have screen display with a resolution of 180 pixels by 2160 pixels, and the Huawei Mate 10 Lite is powered by processor Kirin 567, and it comes with 4 GB in the RAM, and the phone pack is about 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 2056 GB. As far as the camera are concerned, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite has 60 megapixels, and in the front is 30 megapixels. And the Huawei Mate 10 Lite runs Android 7 and is powered by 3300 milliampere. About connectivity options include Wi-Fi and GPS and Bluetooth, and this is an elegant phone, so I hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't hesitate to do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.